Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the starter packs section on your profile on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky section, application I mean, and then as you see here, you are on the discover page. So in the bottom right you will find your profile, click on it. Now you will find this starter packs right here. So here you find the posts, the replies, the media, the videos, the likes, the feeds, and the starter packs. So that's it. That's how to find the starter packs on your profile on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.